if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down.
Hello, so I and Boo went to this place. It's called Dana. Actually, it is not my first time to go there, but it is very nice. It is calm, the environment is calm, it is clean, their services are so good. I've always gone here and ate pizza. Their pizza are so nice, they are Jewish, like everything. They have nice tea and they are very clean. The waitress has very many, and they are very, very clean, very smart and caring. The environment, like everything is on point. So it is called Dana, and it is around Kawalagala, something like that. And if you want it, you can locate it on the Google map, so you can go and check on it.
Did you feel that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So currently I decided to focus on making my sitting room a good place, a better place for me to be in, because I've not been proud of it. I've not been filming from there because it looks so ugly. Everything that is there is, I don't know, I just don't like it. So I decided to go for curtains, for other curtains, because the curtains that I am having right now, I'm not so proud of them. So I decided to go for curtains, and I wanted shears, but I didn't find the shears that I wanted. So I decided to put a hold on that and get curtains, and this is the quality that I'm getting. I think I will show you the proper, like I'll show you the curtains, the material when I'm putting them in. I think that will be better. So I decided to go for black because I didn't find the color that I wanted. So I hopefully black will look good because I have a lot of white and gray in my sitting room. So that's what we are going for. And I'm also going to be sewing them, making them myself, and I'm going to be leaving an option of putting rings because I may want to change in the future. But right now I'm not going to be putting rings, but in the future if I feel like I need them, that there will be an option of me fixing them on the curtain. So let's proceed. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a vlog for my apartment update. So I'm making curtains. First of all, I'm not at my home. I went home to relax, to chill, because I was feeling depressed at home. So I went home. Yeah, I went back home to chill. So let me show you the piece that I've done. So I've been sewing, I've been making curtains. So I've been making curtains, and yeah, power has been on and off. But this is a curtain that I've sewn right now. I'm done with this. So I looked at the material. That is how, I know it looks like gray on the screen, but it is real black, pure black. And then on the right side, what? I don't understand this, but this is real black. I wanted to show you the buttons. This is how they are, but this is pure black. So this part of the room has been making the sitting room very ugly. The whole place has been a mess because of this wall. It has been affected by water that is passing behind it, and we decided to work on it. I'm mounting the TV because it has been sitting on my sewing table, and that was inconveniencing me. And also I'm going to be putting a wallpaper on that wall because it looks really ugly, and let's see how it turns out. So because this wall is not equal, it is not good, like it is just very bad. Whoever built it did a very perfect bad job. But no, so this wallpaper is not going to be sitting properly on it. It's going to be like the wall is causing that ugly thing, but we are going to be working with it because we don't have anything to do, and that's how it looks like. Hey loves. Hey guys, well, I just can't wait for tomorrow. So I've been working on this project. Look at that. I love it. So it has been bothering me. That wall has been so bad. It's very ugly and I wasn't in love with it, but yeah. So I finally got a sewing space, a proper sewing space. That is the table that I'm going to be sewing on. And yeah, actually it's what I've been using, but I've been moving it around the room, and I didn't have the proper place, but right now I think we are settling for that. Yeah, that place, because it is on the window, there is light. And another thing as well, I've not been filming from that side. That wall has been looking so ugly. So let me take a second and talk about this home theater. So I decided to get a home theater. I got it last week. Yeah, last week. I got it last week. And then I was like, instead of putting every bar in a corner, I decided to put it together because I have a small space. And another thing, I don't like wires. I hate wires. They make me sick. So I decided to put it together so that I can control the wires. And the fact that this wall was going to be very empty and it is big and wide, I decided to put it here, and I feel like it looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. Mounted my TV, just like you can see in my previous video. I showed you when I just ordered the TV mount. So it has been on my sewing table and it has been bothering me a lot. So I decided to go for gray with a little bit of black, because that is the theme in the whole house, actually. White, gray, and yeah, and black somehow. And then yeah, I really love the space. It has just transformed the whole house. And then the mount, like the TV, I mounted the TV and then it looked very small. Where's the remote? Let me see. Seeing that wire, and then those wire that you're seeing there, I have something that I don't know how it's called, but you use it to hide wires. So those two wires that are going to the TV, yeah, for the power, and then the antenna, is it the antenna? Those two wires, I want to hide them. And then I'm also working on, I bought curtains. Actually, I don't want you to see outside, so I bought curtains actually, and I want to work on curtains because I'm not in love with these curtains, not in love. So I bought curtains yesterday. Actually, I was going for shears, but I found I didn't find the shears, the type of shears that I wanted. So I decided to go for black curtains, but I hope, fingers crossed, they are going to look nice. I hope so, because I have a lot of gray here. So I decided to go for black. They are shining somehow, but yeah, I'm going to be putting them there. I'm going to remove one of the curtain rods, and then I leave one, and then I put my curtains. One is going to be there, one here, and then one on the door. So hopefully it's going to look nice. So I'm starting to love, actually right now I love my sitting room because it is simple and very nice. Yeah, I think I'm not so in love with it, but right now it's what we have and it's what we're working with. If I'm to get a carpet, it will definitely be, I think, in gray or black, or dark gray or black, yeah, those are the two shades that I want. But I think I will first get a carpet in my bedroom before I get this one. But tell me guys what you think about this wallpaper and then the TV mount. I just love it, the gray and the black against gray. I love it. So enough of renting. I think I'll go through that home theater if I get time. And then I have a new fridge, guys. I got a fridge. I'm so proud of me right now. So I got a fridge, and yeah, life is going to be amazing.